I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this.
What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys this week's protective style. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Let's get right into the video. So I start out by parting my hair into sections. This is usually the toughest for me, trying to part my hair. But nonetheless, I did get through. So I part my hair into about, I think, 3 sections. And then I'm going to begin twisting the hair. I am just going to be giving you guys my quick review on the Aunt Jackie's Quench. I'm also using the Blue Magic Indian Hemp on my scalp. The Quench is a hydration leave-in conditioner / detangler, which means it's highly water-based. And you know what water does to our natural hair. Once you put this product on your hair, you have to pretty much braid it or twist it really quick, or it will shrink your hair. I do recommend when you're using this product that you use an oil sealant, because it does somewhat kind of dry out your hair if you don't use oil with it. So I do recommend, if you use it, that you use oil after. Nonetheless, I do like the slip. I do like how it makes my hair feel really soft, like when I'm detangling my hair. You just have to twist it or braid it really quickly so it doesn't shrink. But yeah, so that's my review on the Aunt Jackie's Quench. Will I buy it again? Yes, because I do like how it detangles my hair. I also use it in my son's hair, just to detangle his curly curls. And yeah, great product. So yeah, okay, so my hair, I'm just going ahead and detangling my hair with the Quench. Before I twist, I always like to keep my hair detangled before twisting. That way it makes my finger, it's just much easier to pass your finger through once your hair is detangled. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just detangling my hair before I twist. Keep watching. This is a protective style, so I do recommend when you're doing the twists, don't do them too tight. Make sure to leave your edges out, especially if you're having issues with your edges already. I recommend never braiding or twisting your edges into your hair. Just leave them out, and you could use edge control to just slick them down and make them look a little decent. My favorite edge control to use currently is the Style Factor Edge Booster. So far, that's the only one that I've been using, and that's the only one that actually worked for my hair type. All the other ones kind of melt into my scalp and look like mush. So this is the only one that actually leave my edges looking kind of decent. So yeah, I do recommend it. It's just going ahead and continuing twisting my hair. You could pretty much just watch and see how I get this done. If you're looking for an easy natural hair protective style, I like to do these styles for the week. That way I don't have to worry about doing my hair in the night. I go ahead and tie it down just to keep it fresh. When it does start to look a little frizzy, you could just go ahead and put some Gorilla Snot on your hands and pass it through, and then just tie it down for a few minutes, and then it's going to look nice and smooth and neat all over again. I really appreciate you for watching.
escape from this unlove, 'cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. Ooh, I'm not above, but let me be myself. I'm not above, but let me be myself. Let me be myself. Let me be myself.
Okay, so as you can see, I just left out my edges, and then I'm just going ahead and twisting these last, well, this side. I'm just going ahead and twisting this side. I'm going all the way back.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, 'cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. Ooh, I'm not above, but let me be myself. I'm not above, but let me be myself. Let me be myself. Let me be myself. Let me be myself. I'm not above, but let me be myself. I'm not above, but
Okay, so I'm pretty much done. So I'm just going ahead and putting my hair in an elastic band, twisting the ends and tucking it away. Of course, you can style this however you prefer. You could pin it up, you could tuck it under, you could pretty much do whatever you want. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.
I'm a prisoner. I just want to live